Today, we're delving into the full guide on how to enable map notifications on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Opening the Snapchat app on your Android device initiates the process of accessing the app to make changes to your notification settings related to maps. Step 2. Tapping your avatar or profile picture at the top left of the screen directs you to your profile settings, where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 3. Selecting the settings icon at the top right of the screen allows you to navigate to the settings menu, where you can manage various features of the Snapchat app. Step 4. Tapping on Notifications. Within the settings menu enables you to specify your preferences for receiving notifications, including those related to map updates. Step 5. Marking the option for Map Notifications ensures that you receive notifications specifically for map-related updates on Snapchat, keeping you informed about relevant location-based content. By following these simple steps, you can ensure you receive notifications for map-related updates on Snapchat. Let's dive in.